So, today we are going to be I'm going to be dropping that because it does not work anymore. And I'm going to drop it off the deck. And here I am dropping this. So, going up the steps. So, drop this off the deck. I'm going to try my best to land it on the concrete. 3, 2, 1. I have to do that again. Alright, before I'm going to run down through there. And off. So, no real damage to the car. Just that came off. And we'll put it in the parts pile. And that'll be over here under our water box. So, we'll have to do that again. Here. I'll just slam it on the ground. That did not work. I'll throw it up in the air. Here. Oh, we actually did get damage. That thing. Fell out. Let's try the deck again. So, I am I'm up on the deck. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to assess the damage again, but we may do one more off the deck and then just try to demolish the rest of it by slamming it on the ground. I just about fell. So, looks like, yep, the camera, this. So, anyway, that's the damage to the car. That looked like it did something. No! Holy crap. So I'm gonna sling it up in the air. As always. Didn't work. This car is, this car can stand up to anything. Okay. I'm gonna slam it on the ground. This thing is taking forever to demolish. And alligator with it, but throw it up in the air again. That was with my left hand, and I'm right-handed. But demolish. Are you serious? I'm gonna see if I can just. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, I ripped that out. I put it over here with the porch file. Over there. And the car is not going to die. I'm going to sling this up in the air as high as I can. Or what in size I can, but I'm filming, so. Here. Oh. This thing, I wonder what happens if well, I was going to stomp on it, but I'm going to demolish it in a more entertaining way. This thing will not demolish. It will not. Rest in peace. That. Somehow knocked the windshield out. Whatever. Heavy Dodge Viper. And we screwed up the spoiler, but for those of you out there who do this every day, do not. Like, I don't know. I'll take that back. I don't know why. I ripped the spoiler off. Okay, this thing is just the chassis and the body. Look. Windshield, nothing. Just a few wires in there, and this. And a little. Well, actually, everything is torn off. So we're just demolishing the rest of this car. And I wonder if it still rolls. And oh my god, it still does. Okay, this thing will not die. I'm going to slam it off the deck one more time. If that does not do it, I really don't know. Here we go. So close. Okay, that is all I can really do. I can try slamming it up against something. I haven't done that. So let's try that. Have to find something to slam it up again. Oh, or rock wall. Do that. Okay. Here we go. Oh, dropped it. But look. Okay. Here we go. Before it even hit the rock wall, it tore apart. Well, here's the, and the wheel just broke off. That over here. See if we can just do any more damage. Here's the chassis, or not the chassis, the body. And so flimsy. Can't even flip it back over. But I'm trying to be careful not to cut my feet, because I do not have shoes on. Okay, so this thing is basically just a piece of crap. So swing it up in the air. Almost hit me, but yeah, that's garbage. So that about wraps this up. Here's the body, or the chassis. So that about wraps this up. Anyway, that about wraps this little smashing up. But anyway, I'll see ya.